Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a folder within your Finder application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Finder application which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way onto the dock. Go to the Finder application. And now we have set our Finder application to navigate us to the documents. We can go back a directory, but that's all for the near future. Let's now create the folder within documents. So right click, new folder. Let's call this folder Videos 2023. With this folder, we can now enter the folder. If we wish to, we can create folders within this folder, transfer files, documents, videos, audio files, or anything of your desire. Let's go back one. And so that's how we create a folder within Finder. Let's now quit Finder. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.